How's it going, everyone? It is Reversal Trader King, where I catch bottoms and tops in the stock market. And today we're going to go over Fisker again. I have made videos about this, but now I'm going to give you guys my updated analysis as of April 7th, 2024. And this is honestly one of those plays that could easily do 100% gain. As you can see, we already made a 23% gain from last Friday. And if you look at the 15-minute chart, we went down real fast, and then bam, we shot right at it. I'm going to show you exactly why we are getting these corrections and on why, honestly, this is not a bad trade for a reversal setup. And I'm going to go over my system. And before I go over my system, do keep in mind I have a premium Discord of only $6. It's a big community. And if you guys want to join and see my exact entries and exits of my best stocks, click the link down below into the YouTube comments. I'll pin my Discord in there and description. You'll see it. But let me show you guys my system and show you guys of how good this thing is and how you can catch these bottoms and make massive money. I have traded this one way back, and I'm going to show you, go over what you see on my chart so you're not confused. First things first, the bottom band is colored green, and that is a buy zone. That is not where you just buy right away. It's just a buy zone, and we look for a low K on the KDJ along with this EMA 10 of time distance. And when I say this yellow band right here, I'm going to show you why it's important. So, for example, let me show you some scenarios of the back test so you know that this works, and then we'll go back, go to the current data. This strat has an over 95% win ratio, but do keep in mind that the penny stocks are more riskier, obviously, than bigger cap stocks. I have not yet to lose on a bigger cap stock doing this strategy. I only lost one time in the last 8 months is because I did a penny stock, and then it ran, of course, when I sold it. But I have adjusted the strat just a little, so I'm going to show you guys here how it works. So, I'm using the daily candle, and this is for swing trading. What we see right here is we're looking for these touches of this yellow band, my middle band right in here. And when we see is we have the 10/17/2023, we look at the date here, and then the next touch is 11/03. Anything that does not get touched within a month is extremely long and rare. We know it has to touch. This middle band, everywhere you see price action, is going to get touched. It doesn't matter how far below it goes or how far up it goes. Price moves in waves, and you'll have reversions of the mean. As you can see, it is magneted. The algos know what they're doing. Right in here, perfect example. 112, 201. Not even a month time frame, about 3 weeks. So we look for price, one to be about 2 to 3 weeks with time distance. We want to see this gap, and then I want to see a touch or close as possible to the lower band with the low K on the KDJ. We get exactly that. We see this touch here, we see time distance, and then we see a low K, and then we get this touch to this middle band right in here. So that's what we're seeing here. That's what we want to see. Time distance, low K on the KDJ, and then a lower, closest possible to the lower band. And when I say K on the KDJ, this is this line down here. I'm looking for less than 5 for penny stocks. So as you can see, it happens countless times. Close to lower band, time distance, and we get up. All right, so we know this works, and I'm going to show you even one of the harder trades when it got way down here. So right here, we have a touch 11/03, and then bam, the next touch 12/08. That was very rare. It was a month and like a couple days. But as you can see, right in here, we would have only taken the trades that were about 3 weeks out. So when we get close to this, right in here, we ignore all these because it's not the lower band. We ignore these candles because it's not having enough time distance. We only take the trades that are have a really low K. So we would have honestly started scaling in this area right here because we have time distance and a low K. And also, my accumulation rolls, I discuss a lot of that in the Discord, so it is a lot to get into, but I have a 6 ad accumulation rolls because it is impossible to get the exact bottom, but I get in there as precise as possible before the herd, because once Fisker runs 100%, you don't want to be chasing it, right? And so you could have easily got in this area, scalped it for a nice 10%, and then it goes back down, and then do the adds again, and then bam, we touch the EMA 10, the middle band there. Because we know it's going to touch it, so you go more heavier when on your 4th, 5th, and 6th ads that you were doing. Because the first ad is more of a starter, second ad you go a little more, third ad you increase. Because with this strategy, you don't want to get stopped out. You're more into, when it gets more ads, that just means more money for you, and because you know kind of like the price range this has to go. All right, so we played this multiple times. I've seen this. Right in here was a nice play in here. I saw it right in here. I knew earnings was coming up and played it. But the one I did like was here. This was one of my favorites. You have the time distance close as possible, and then lower K. But this right here, I'm going to show you, is the best setup that I see. One, we are under the band. Two, we have a lot of time distance. So look at the last time distance was 229, and the current data is 405. And the reason why, so 229 to 329 is 1 month. We are over that 1 month, and it's possible. It doesn't have to be 1 month we hit. It is possible to get over that 1 month, and the reason why that's possible is, one, this is a penny stock. They kind of beat to their own drum. Two, we had really bad news. So they are going to have the price lower than what you would think, right? So you got to keep that in mind. So a lot of the big cap stocks will follow this to a T, where 3 weeks is really long, and honestly 1 month is just extremely rare. But of course, this is a penny stock, so you're going to have massive gains for just a small amount of move. As you can see, 23% in 1 day. And I think this could do a lot more. And as you can see, to a T, we touch this lower band. So it makes me want to say we can get kind of some consolidation here. Let this middle band go down a little lower, and then it will get up. But I think as of now, we can touch this upper wick. I don't see a problem getting into the high 4-cent region. Right now, the middle band is at 0.05. That is the target as of now. Yeah, I did say right in here was a good play. As you can see, when it got right in here to that lower band, and then bam, it made a nice, I remember after hours, it was like easy 20-30% right there. You correct it, you get out, and then it just got a little dicey, right, because of the bankruptcy news. So that's what we're looking at. As you can see, the strategy works very religiously, consistently. But as you keep in mind, penny stocks are higher risk, so they are going to beat to their own drum. You could, you can get 20% down moves quite easily when you're this low cent range. But as long as you follow my accumulation rules, which I post in my premium Discord, it could go down 20% and you still would not be sweating. Because there is a very nice rules that I discuss on what you do and how to react to that, right? Because this is in a buy zone. There's no reason to freak out other than, yes, the bankruptcy news. So you only need to put smaller amount of money compared to what you would put into more stable stocks. Because, $500 can be a massive amount of money if it goes up 100%, right? You don't need to put a lot of amount. I'm just saying a random number. So this is the strategy, the best reversal trading strategy that has well over 95% win ratio. It is very nice. You know exactly where to buy, know exactly where to target. And I'm saying this as of now, this is a nice buy zone right here, right now. Because one, we got the time distance. We got really low K on the KDJ. As you can see, we had a 1.12 K right here. And then the next day it pumps up to pumps 23%. And then the K is still only 2.74, so that is extremely low, and I can see this really pumping big. My target for a conservative region would be 100% at 4 cents. As of now, the middle band is at 0.05. We know it's going to hit it, but it could fluctuate another 1 week, and when it does go down a little and fluctuates, it does lose some price. As you see, this goes down. So that's why when you buy in, you want plenty of room to the upside. You want to see massive room to the upside to this middle band to be this best risk versus reward. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is my analysis on Fisker. I do approve of, if anyone's in it and you really want to dramatically lower your average, that is the area to buy right in here. or start a new. I know TD Ameritrade allows you to buy. I know a lot of people say I can't buy it. I would open up a new broker, go on TD Ameritrade. They are a very good broker. Buy some shares right in here, sell it for 40, 50, scale out 100%, and then your old shares from Robinhood, you can just sell those, but these new shares you would be in a massive gain. So that's how this system works. And if you want to join the premium Discord, it's only $6 a month. I tell you exactly when I enter my trades and exactly when I exit. I have education videos right here that you can find of the best trend reversal, how to use these indicators. Obviously, I can't go in depth because this is a shorter video, but I really wanted to talk to Fisker because it's all over the world. A lot of retail traders are in it, and a lot of people don't really see exactly what I see. And if I turn off all this, this is the only thing you would see. As you can see, you have three, massive gaps going down, and it's just been like constantly. But when you put this on, you can kind of see where the algos are taking this and where our profit target's going to be. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to join the premium Discord, go down to the YouTube comments below or in my description and say join the premium Discord for the best trades. And these guys are the best trades. I put a lot of time into this because I want you guys to make money, so I make money. And then, obviously subscribers want to retain themselves, and that's why we have a big group here. So when you click down below, it'll take you to this free landing page, and it'll look like this. It doesn't mean you're subscribed. What you want to do is go over to the subscriptions tab, hit any of these icons or these channels. I recommend just doing premium chat, the first one. And when you do it, it'll opt you to subscribe for only $6 a month, guys. That is the cheapest you'll ever find a Discord that gives you entries and exits with a winning strategy of over 95%. If you're scared and you just want to tip your toes in the water, you can cancel anytime if I'm not making you money. I'm totally fine with that. It's only $6 a month. And it is slightly cheaper if you do it on your desktop to avoid the iOS fee. So do keep that in mind. Alrighty, so if you guys like this video, give it a like, subscribe. Any type of engagement helps me want to make more videos on people that can't, are looking for a bottom, trying to find a reversal, because that's what I am about. I am finding bottoms in the stock market, reversals, and how to help other people and analyze on the charts, because I've done this, full time, and I try to look for the best indicators to help me out along with chart skills and figure out the best price on where to sell, exit, and buy. Because once price is running, for example, just like in this, you want to be in the bottom. Because if you're chasing this right in here, bam, it goes down. Chasing this right in here, bam, it goes down. You want to have a strategy that works and consistently makes you money in any market. So if you guys enjoyed this, please give it a like, subscribe. It helps me so much, makes more videos. And I will see you guys in the premium Discord. Peace out.